Creating empty sets. An empty set is a set that contains no elements. Creating an empty set requires special attention because the curly brackets actually creates an empty dictionary, not a set. To create an empty set, you must use the set constructor. So don't rely on creating a set using curly bracket, use the set constructor. Create an empty set and use the set constructor. The name of our empty set is empty underscore set, and to create this we are using the set constructor without any element defined in it. Now let's print this empty set to find out how many elements it has. So we'll see that the set has no element. To confirm its type, let's find out the type of empty set, and the type of our empty set is the set. If it is an empty, the length also should be 0. So the length of empty set is 0. So this is how we can create a set without any element using the set constructor. Now let's check that what will happen if we create or try to create an empty set using the curly bracket. To use the curly bracket, we know that it's not a set, so let's name this as not an empty set, and let's try to create using a curly bracket. So if we print this not an empty set in the assumption that we are creating a set, we find it is defined with two curly brackets. Now to find out the type of not an empty set, we use the type function, and the type is dict or dictionary. So it's wrong to create a empty set using curly bracket. We should always prefer the set constructor or use the set constructor to create a set. Now once again understand the codes used in this exercise. The empty set equal to set constructor. This code creates an empty set using the set constructor, as we have seen that curly bracket create an empty dictionary instead of a set. Using a print empty set or simply writing the name of the variable empty set gives us the print or the output of the set. In our case, we get the output as set with two round brackets indicating that it is an empty set. Type of empty set help us to check the type of empty set, and it confirms that the empty set is a set. Then we checked the length of empty set. The value returned is 0, signifies that the overall length of the empty set is 0, means there is no element in it. The curly bracket in the end shows us that if we try to create a variable with a curly bracket, it is creating a dictionary, an empty dictionary, not a set.